Okay.
To the right.
Okay.
So imagine this is me driving out of the parking lot.
Yeah.
And then I need to turn to the right. Do you know how I was turning?
Oh,
Like that. A little drift, yes, a little drift. I hope she's okay though.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, she's fine. Just
She's
a
okay. Just a little
scratch on the car.
Oh, she's not even gonna okay, that's not bad. That's not too bad.
Not that bad, no.
Same problem here. Yes, and also it doesn't really matter either you have all season or like winter tires because there people with winter tires do have the same issues as I have. So I think there's like no point. Berlin drift, yeah. Berlin is not ready for such weather, not ready at all.
A new Fast and Furious film, Berlin Drift.
Did they film Fast and Furious here?
No, but
They shoot.
There's a film, Tokyo Drift.